Not many people know this, but roughly 50% of Jira users are from business teams and not just development. Jira is where teams track work. They assign owners, set due dates, and move work through statuses. It's the system for what needs doing, who's doing it, and what's blocked. One of the biggest problems that teams hit at scale is the following: unclear tickets, slow updates, hard to find work, and repetitive admin. There's something now in Jira that can help you improve that, and it's called Rovo AI. Today, we're going to show you how you can use Rovo AI in Jira to optimize that. Today's video is kindly sponsored by Atlassian. You can check out Jira today in the description below, and I'm excited to dive into these 5 use cases. Use case number 1. Let's take a look at a Jira task here. And what we're going to do is we're going to use Rovo AI to rewrite the description and produce subtasks. So the problem here is that the ticket is very vague, and there might be an endless back and forth between those who created it and those doing the work. So you can use Rovo here to rewrite and improve the description to something more actionable. And then you can turn the output into child items and subtasks, quickly creating the work structure you need to progress. Really enhances things like cleaner handoffs and making execution a lot faster. And Rovo will handle that all for you in these different places. So use case number 2. Now, sometimes you want to go a bit deeper. You want to maybe look at the risks and maybe even look at estimates and go much further than what we have here. A lot of the time, the risks and the issues live in other people's heads. So what we're going to use here is we're going to open Rovo Chat on the side and ask for a rough estimate approach. So in this case, I'm going to use t-shirt size effort framing to basically get that going. And I'm going to go ahead and use that information in this Jira task. Now, I mentioned project risks and mitigations. They're all things that can happen to this project that I might not know about. And it's better to think about them now. Here are some of the risks that Rovo Chat's going to pull up that it believes is going to be a problem. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the output to create and adjust the work items in here. And as you can see, the work item has been updated with all that in mind, with Rovo doing all of the heavy lifting here. So this is absolutely fantastic when it comes to faster planning and better visibility. So use case number 3, you want to find all the work that's happening around you, but you need to do it in natural language. So maybe you can't find specific work without JQLs or the perfect filter. Well, there's a new natural language command inside of here that uses Rovo that can help things. So you can say things like find all work assigned to this person. You can literally use everyday language and it will bring up the relevant items instead of having to use the filters in this case. So here, Rovo is allowing you to reduce the amount of time hunting for things. There's fewer pings because I'm not going asking somebody for lots of different things, and quicker decisions being made as well. So use case number 4. Now in this case, you may be part of other Jira teams spaces in here, and you just want to go in and have a little look about what's going on of a particular work item that you're doing or somebody else is doing. In this case, as an external stakeholder, I can't go ahead and read 40 comments. Plus, it's sometimes in jargon that you might not know because it's not your area of expertise. So in this case, you can use Rovo to summarize the comments inside of the work item. This can get you key context, decisions, and actions straight away, and it's incredibly helpful for just being able to quickly summarize that. These means that stakeholders that aren't part of the team can get fast updates without disrupting the team itself. And you can even use Rovo to quickly reply and create a comment as well for you. And use case number 5, Rovo skills. This is a great way to automate inside of Rovo and take advantage of the power of AI. So in this case, admin work drains teams. It's small bits that can really add on lots of different things across a day. So things like assigning, things like due dates, nudges, routing, all things add up. So in this case, I'm going to go ahead and create an automated rule in natural language. So Rovo is going to create that rule for us. I did it without needing any specific terminology. I just went and said it aloud. These type of things are massive time savers and great opportunities to get the ball moving. And once they're set up, They're set up so that you can carry on using them every single day.
So just a quick recap, Rovo skills go beyond automation. You have to start thinking of them as your teammates that are able to tackle specialized tasks. They also help to elevate the team's productivity because what they're trying to do is handle everything from the real-time project management to trends and potential risk analysis as well at the same time. And all of this baked in the fact that it's got your organization's shared knowledge, which is incredibly helpful when it comes to making faster decisions and better ones at that.
If you're needing even more help, there's prompts and use cases that you can browse through on the library. I'll include that in the link in the description, but it's a great way to accelerate Rovo agents, chat, and search. This one here is a good one if you're looking to manage issues and organize them effectively. This allows you to move issues into sprints. There's even a dedicated agent for Release Notes Drafter, which quickly creates release notes from many Jira issues. So well worth browsing that if you're looking for more inspiration and resources.
So let's quickly recap. Number one, what we did is we helped rewrite unclear tickets. Number two, we used chat to help for estimates and risks. We also looked at finding work using natural language, which saves a big amount of time. We helped to jump into external projects and understood them using comment summary. And finally, we started to automate with Rovo skills. Rovo is an incredibly powerful way to save time inside of Jira. If you want to try it out today, you can find it in the link in the description. It's a great way to optimize your Jira today. Thank you very much for stopping by. I hope you found this video helpful. Please do leave comments below with your thoughts and also like this video if you found it very useful. Thanks very much, and I'll see you in a future video, I'm sure. Cheerio for now.